Claude just dropped a massive update and it's called Claude Cowork. And guys, honestly, it's absolutely insane. We all want more time for creative work, but instead, we are stuck organizing files, scheduling meetings, and doing the same repetitive tasks over and over. Well, what if I told you that Claude Cowork can actually do all of that for you? And I really mean that. It can literally take over your entire computer to handle those repetitive tasks for you. The ones that take hours out of your day. It organizes your computer, controls your browser, creates presentations, and even writes emails while you are in meetings. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use it. This thing is honestly like having a personal AI employee that just works 24/7 for you and is on your computer. But guys, here's the thing. Most people are leaving all of the powerful features on the table without even knowing they exist. And in this video, I'm breaking down 9 insane features so you can use Claude Co to its maximum potential. It will completely change how you work. And trust me guys, by feature number 5, your mind is going to be completely blown. I think it's time to get started. So let's hop over to the PC. So now guys, there we are over to the PC. Let's start off with something that is pretty simple but incredibly powerful at the same time. Desktop file organization is the feature that Anthropic has shown in their introduction video. And guys, it is super useful. Now, I don't know about you guys, but my desktop always gets a bit messy. There's always just random screenshots, downloads, project files, just random things sitting everywhere. And after a while, everything just piles up. And normally, organizing all of that would take a lot of hours. But luckily with Claude Cowork, you can actually do all of that in just a couple of seconds. And here's how all of it works. Okay, so you can just go over and you can open Claude Cowork. You can select your desktop as the working folder. And then you just simply say, organize my desktop. And that's it. Claude will then actually scan through all of your files, figure out what all of them are, and it will automatically sort them into organized folders. So your screenshots will go into one folder, your projects will go into another, your images will go into a separate one, and it even creates subfolders based on the content itself. And guys, I tested this with over 300 files on my desktop, and it actually organized everything in just less than 2 minutes. There's no more digging through all of the chaos just to find the file that you need. Everything's completely organized for you. And I mean, this feature alone is worth using Claude Cowork for. But that's just the start of it. Because now guys, we have to mention feature number 2. And that is where things get really interesting. This is browser control. So this is one of the most powerful features because you can literally teach Claude how to do things on the internet. And then on top of it, it actually remembers it. And it does it for you automatically. So let me give you guys a quick little example. Okay, let's say you need to generate voiceovers for your videos using 11 Labs. So normally you would have to go to the website, you'd paste your text, you select a voice, you generate it, and then download it, and then do it all over again with a different voice. So kind of after a while guys, it can get pretty tedious. Now with Claude Cowork, you can actually just tell Claude to generate the text in 2 different voices on 11 Labs, and it will then do it automatically for you. So you don't even have to touch anything guys. Just like that, you can actually see that Claude is now working on our browser. It's using 11 Labs and is generating our voices for us. It's literally so simple yet so effective at the same time. And look guys, take a look at how our voices have actually been generated. No more switching between the tabs, the windows, and spending hours on tasks that should take just a couple of minutes. This works for any repetitive browser task guys. Filling out forms, scraping data, posting content wherever, whatever you need. Basically, you just teach it once and then Claude does it forever. So now guys, that takes us perfectly into the next feature guys. And this is where Claude Cowork separates itself from every other AI tool out there. And that's because of multitask parallel processing. So most AI tools make you wait. You give it a task, it completes it, and then you give it another task. It's pretty linear guys, and it's super slow. But Claude Cowork can run multiple tasks at the same time in parallel. So let's organize our files in one task. Okay, let's create a presentation in another. And let's create a spreadsheet for our business expenses in our last task. Okay, so normally guys, you'd have to do these one by one, or you'd have to wait for each task to finish. But now everything runs simultaneously, and that is going to save us so many hours. And guys, within just a few minutes, everything is literally done. This is what makes Claude Co feel like you have an entire team working for you, because you're not limited to one task at a time. You can actually handle 5 to 10 or even more tasks running simultaneously, and that is a game changer. Now guys, we have to speak about feature number 4, and that is the presentation creation. So if you have ever had to create a presentation from scratch, you know that it's so time consuming, and it's pretty difficult, guys. You have to find the brand colors, the logos, the assets. You've got to design each slide, make sure that everything looks professional, and that takes forever. Well, Claude Co does all of that for you. So guys, here's how all of it works. Okay, so you just tell Claude, create a presentation about my company, and then attach the brand assets that's stored in our files. All of them branded, all of them professional. And so guys, what I've actually done is I've attached my brand folder, and I'm going to ask Claude to make a 6-slide presentation using my brand info. So we want our presentation to be about how we offer branding and marketing strategies for businesses. So Claude is now working on it. So guys, take a look. There we have it. It's clean, it's concise, and it's exactly in harmony with my brand. And guys, the best part about all of this is, if you don't like something, you can just tell Claude to change it. And just like, let's say we want to say, make the text bigger, or add more slides, change the layout, and everything here is fully customizable. So it allows us to do that, making our lives so much easier. And this is perfect if you're a freelancer, business owner, anyone who needs to create presentations regularly. Claude just saved you hours of work, which means you can focus on what you really want to. And guys, you are going to love the next feature that we have lined up. That is feature number 5, guys, and this is where your mind is about to be blown. Data collection and analysis. So most of us have data scattered across different platforms, and pulling all of that together to actually understand what's happening, that takes so much time. So Claude Co does all of that automatically. So here's an example. Let's say you want to analyze your monthly sales trends on Shopify, okay? Then normally what you'd have to do is, you'd have to log into Shopify, export the data, open it in Excel or Google Sheets, create charts, analyze them, trends. And guys, even that, it's a whole process. With Claude Cowork, you can just say, pull my sales data from Shopify for the last 3 months, analyze the trends, create charts and visuals, and then Claude will connect to your Shopify. It will pull all the data for you. It will analyze all the data. It will create a visual dashboard with insights. And guys, it will tell you what's working and what's not, where you are growing and where you are declining. Everything just automatically. And this works with any platform. You can pull data, film your CRM, your email marketing tools, your social media analytics, whatever you need. Claude has the power to collect it and to analyze it and give you actionable insights at the same time. Guys, this is honestly like having a data analyst on your team, except it works instantly and it costs just a fraction of the price. And guys, we need to speak about feature number 6, because this is one that I personally love, and this is the video editing. If you are a content creator, then you will know how much time video editing takes, especially if you are repurposing long-form content into short-form clips for social media. Then you've got to cut the video. You have to speed it up in certain sections. You have to add captions and resize it for different platforms. And that can take so many hours out of your day. Claude Co will actually automate all of that for you. So here's how this works. Okay, so let's say you just recorded a 1-hour podcast episode, okay? And you want to turn it into 2 short-form clips for TikTok and maybe Instagram ads. Then you can actually just upload the video to Claude and you can say, create 2 short clips optimized for TikTok and Instagram. Claude will then analyze the video. It will find the most engaging moments for you. It will cut them into clips, will resize them for vertical format, and it will even add effects if you want. And it does all of that automatically. Instead of spending the entire day just editing clips or setting out a couple of hours so that you can handle your edits, you can just let Claude do it while you focus on creating more content. Now guys, we have to discuss feature number 7, and that is Google Workspace connectors. So this is where Cowork becomes your personal assistant, because it can connect directly to Google Calendar, Google Drive, and also your Gmail. So let me show you what this means. Okay, so let's just say you wake up in the morning and you want to know what your day looks like. Then you can just ask Claude, what's on my calendar for today. And then Claude will actually check your Google Calendar, tell you every meeting, every event, everything that you have scheduled for the day. But the cool thing is, it doesn't actually stop there. You can actually say, schedule a meeting with my team tomorrow at 2 p.m. And Claude will then create an event in your calendar. You can say, check my Gmail for any important emails from clients. And Claude will actually scan your entire inbox and it will summarize the important ones for you. So you don't have to take any time out of your day to read the spam. They can do it for you. And this is what makes Claude Cowork feel like a real-life assistant. It's not just answering questions, it's actually doing things for you. It's managing your workflow, your schedules, your emails, your files. And the best part of all, you can combine all of these actions. This is the future of productivity. And now guys, we need to discuss the next feature, which is feature number 8. And this one is for the power users, custom MCP server connection. Now, Cloudco already has a lot of built-in connectors, Google Workspace, Slack, all of the major tools. But what if you use a tool that's not built in? Well, that's where custom MCP servers come in. Okay, so MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. And basically, it allows you to connect Claude to any tool or platform that you want, even if it's not officially supported. So let me show you guys how it works. I want to connect my project management tool. Okay, so I'll just go to the settings and then to connectors, and then I will add a custom connector. And there we have it. Now just log into my Asana account and Claude is set up. Once it's connected guys, I'll actually ask Claude to create a new project in Asana called Website Redesign, and then create 3 tasks with a deadline for, let's say, next Friday, and then Claude will actually do it. So I'll just create a project, I'll assign the tasks, I'll set the deadlines, and it does it automatically. This works with any tool that has an API. You can connect Claude to your CRM, your accounting software, your marketing tools, whatever you need. And yes, setting this up once requires a little bit of technical knowledge guys, but once it's set up, it is incredibly powerful. Now guys, we need to discuss our final feature guys, and this one is called scheduled automation. So this feature is the one that turns Claude Cowork into a 2 autopilot system for you. Because everything that we've talked about so far, the other 8 features, you still kind of have to tell Claude what to do. But with this one, with scheduled automation, you can actually just set it and then completely forget about it. So guys, here's how it works. Okay, so I will actually ask Claude to generate an inspirational LinkedIn post using Gemini. Okay, and I wanted to post it, and there we go guys. As you can see, it's now scheduled and I don't have to worry about a single thing. And guys, once you set it up, Claude runs it automatically every day, every week, whatever schedule you want guys. You can automate weekly reports, posting, and everything else like this. And guys, this is honestly what makes Claude Cowork feel like you have a full-time employee just by your side or on your PC, because it's working even when you are not. And guys, it's literally there to keep everything on deck for you. So there you have it guys, 9 insane features of Claude Cowork that most people don't even know exists. Hey guys, let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to try out first. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, because we are posting new videos like this every single week. Okay guys, that is it for this one, but I will catch you on the next one.